Today we're customizing the user interface in our Windows 3.11 installation. Default settings are boring. Thankfully, there are a few things that can be done to change that. One simple place to start is the desktop background. And there we go, a nice personalized background. Next, we need to do something about that color scheme.
Nope.
I am going to select OS2 Warp and give it a black background. Another element we could change is the fonts and the user interface. We can actually use any font that we would like by using a tool called SysFont. There are a few miscellaneous applications, starting with All3D. This program group here, Startup, anything you add in this group is going to start with the computer. So now when we start the computer, it's going to start All3D for us. The next item is keyframe, and it's just going to add that little animation. I really enjoy keyframe, just that little animation that it does when you're minimizing and maximizing windows, and you can apply these to menus and all sorts of things. You can configure the app by going into the startup group and keyframe, and you have this menu here of all the wonderful things that you can do with it. It's like a fist bump with some fireworks at the end. I really like it. It's different than the normal window behavior you get with Windows 3.11.